Before the bells I wake alone, a little star by sleeping stone. The chapel breathes in ash and pine, and waits the footfall of the divine. The brothers dream in wool and frost. I burn for souls the night has lost. My thin flame bends when dark winds pass, like prayer upon the altar glass. Beyond the walls the dead leaves roam. The owl laments through fields of loam. Yet here the painted saints still gaze, gold-eyed within the candle haze. Then matins breaks the iron night, and psalms arise with morning light. I got her low before the rood, a faithful spark in